him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I think right now we're going to go ahead and have our drawing for these two cars for the Christmas build for Diecast International Builders. As I said in the video, I am giving these away. So we have the video up here in the browser, and we also have the YouTube random comment picker over here, if my computer will cooperate with me sometime today. There we go. Alright, so I've already entered in the URL here. I already copied and pasted it. I have not done anything other than that. Before we get started here, as I said in the video, you have to live in the United States, continental United States, or Canada in order to be eligible to win one of these cars, just because shipping to other countries takes way too long. Okay, that being said, I did go through and count in the comments how many people picked the Santa's Ride car as their favorite and how many people picked the Merry Christmas car as their favorite. And I went ahead and tallied those up. So Santa's Ride got 5 and Merry Christmas got 6. And actually the Merry Christmas car was the first one I finished, and I do like this one myself. I think this is better with the bigger stripes. Now there is a bit of an issue with the fitment of the wheels, and I may do something with that. I may go ahead and pull this base back off of here and put some glue in there just to hold that axle in place before I ship it off, just because it keeps that back wheel keeps popping up a little bit, and I don't like how it makes the car sit. Alright, that being said, the other issue with this is it uses a newer glass. This is an older casting, and I may see if I can get that to fit in there a little better as well. Okay. Alright, so we're going to filter duplicate users. Oh, get YouTube comments. $34. Okay. So I was missing a step. It's been a while since I've done this. Alright, let's get started. Here we go. Brian's in Thailand. Okay. I'm sorry, Brian. We'll have to pick another one. Alright. Which city collector? Alright. Not sure. I'll write you down. For Santa's Ride. And you will have until this Tuesday I'm recording this, or is it Monday? No, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday I'm recording this. I'll go ahead and get this uploaded probably tomorrow, which will be Wednesday. And we'll give you until Sunday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to email me at diecastpirate@gmail.com. If you're in the, and let me know one way or the other if you're in the continental US or Canada. All right. For Opa, you get the Merry Christmas car, and I think you actually, Let's say, I like Santa's ride the best of the two. I can see it parked in the garage next to my 2021 Santa sled. I'm torn because Opa's a good friend, and he's been going through some stuff, and if he likes Santa's ride, Opa, I have your address. Which city? If you would rather have the Merry Christmas car, let me know. I would really love to send Santa's ride to Opa. And I'm going to pick an alternate just in case which city doesn't contact me. You can come up again. Alright. Jay, brother, if which city doesn't contact me, I know you love the Merry Christmas card the best. So if which city doesn't contact me, then I'll send you the Merry Christmas card. And I'll send Santa's ride to Opa. But as it is, Jay, you're the runner-up winner, and I know for a fact that I already have Jay's address and Opa's address, so it's all down to which city contacting me at diecastpirate@gmail.com and letting me know if you're eligible for this prize and what your address is, and I will get these in the mail. So as soon as we know, I'll post a, I don't know if I'll post a follow-up. I'll probably just put up, I don't know. We'll figure it out. Alright. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. Ring that bell for notifications. And I think it said click the like button. I forget all this stuff. It's a little bit late at night, but that's alright. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate. I'll see you next time.